Today we have a lot of colorful balls and some sea animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first one is a turtle. This is a turtle. A shark. This is a shark. The next sea animal is a king crab. This is a king crab. The next one is a sea turtle. This is a turtle. A frog. This is a frog. The next one is a shark. This is a shark. A whale fish. The next one is a queen parrotfish. This is a queen parrotfish. A seal. This is a seal. The next one is a pinfish. This is a pinfish. A parrotfish. The next one is a little duck. This is a duck. The next one is a starfish. This is a starfish. A lobster. A pufferfish. This is a pufferfish.